Welcome out here to Bridgehaven. This is a community being built out in part by Ashton Woods, and behind me happens to be one of their most popular floor plans that they have to offer, and it's actually a model home. This is called the Jordan, and we'll be walking through it here in just a moment. But I wanted to say, if you're new to the channel, thank you so much for checking out my video. I hope you enjoy it. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for continuing to support me and watch all of the content that I put out here for you guys. If you haven't already, go ahead and please subscribe to my channel, as well as hit that bell icon so that you'll be notified anytime I post a new video down the road. Now, let's get back to this home and this neighborhood. So like I mentioned, this is Bridgehaven. It's being built on the northeast side of San Antonio, actually pretty close to Converse, Texas. And around it is quite a lot to do. There's lots of shopping, lots of food, and lots of entertainment nearby, which is really great for families looking to kind of get out of the house, every once in a while and enjoy the area. Also, we're really close to Randolph Air Force Base, so if you're a military family looking to relocate to the Emily, this is a perfect location for you to be close to Randolph Air Force Base. So that's a little bit about the community. If you'd like to know more or have a question, please drop a comment down below. I'll definitely answer your question and get back to you about that. But in the meantime, let's go and check out this home. All right, y'all, welcome to the Jordan floor plan built by Ashton Woods. This home features 2,522 square feet, 4 bedrooms, and options for either 2.5 or 3.5 bathrooms, depending on the options and upgrades you choose. This open concept 2-story home has the master suite downstairs with the 3 remaining bedrooms and a loft upstairs. I hope you enjoy the tour. Thank you so much for checking out this incredible home with me out here in Bridgehaven. I thought this home was an absolutely beautiful house to walk through, but I would love to hear your thoughts and opinions on what you liked or disliked, or even if you could see yourself living in this house. I thought it was incredible, but again, just let me know what you thought down below. As always, if you're looking to relocate or make a move here in the San Antonio area, I am your San Antonio realtor, and I would love the opportunity to help guide you through the process of purchasing a home, or if you've got a home to sell, I would love to help you out as well with that. So I will link my contact information in the corner above as well as down below so that you have it. Feel free to reach out and call or text me at any time. I will definitely be responding to you as soon as possible, and I strive to give you a very helpful and friendly service here. Thank you again for tuning in today, and I hope you all have a wonderful day.